In this video, I'll do a PSpice modeling of the diode circuit of the DC diode circuit. So essentially, this is the circuit that is going to be produced at the end of the day. So I just delete it. So first of all, you need a power supply. You go to the place PSpice parts, then source, voltage source, DC. So here's my DC power supply. Then I need the resistor. So go to components, PSpice parts, resistor. Then of course the diode. Place PSpice parts, diode. Then ground connection. So these are the parts for the circuit. So I need to rotate the diode. So to do that, I'll just press the arrow key on my keyboard. So then I connect it with the wire. So to do that, I go to this, or I press the W on my keyboard. And I connect I have to connect it to ground. Okay, so the circuit is connected. So this is the PSpice modeling of the diode circuit using a DC power supply. So I'll change the power supply to 5 volts. So to do that, I'll just change this to 5 volts. So in order to change, you just double click on the label, you change it. So here is 2 kilo ohm. You change this to 2 kilo ohm. Then I need to put the probes, because for the spice modeling I need the IV characteristic curve. So I'm going to put a probe by going to PSpice, markers, then voltage level. So for this, I can just place the probe here. So the voltage is going to measure the voltage drop across the diode. Then I also need to measure the current. So I go to PSpice, marker, and current into pin. So here I have to put it inside a pin. So to measure the diode current. So my circuit is all set. So the next thing is to set the simulation profile. So I go to new simulation profile. I need to call it a name. Let me say DC analysis. And create. Yeah, so I need to set what I really want to do. So it's not time domain analysis I want to do, is a DC sweep. So I want to sweep the power supply. So this is a voltage source I want to sweep, and it is V1. Name of the voltage source is V1. So I want to start sweeping from 0 to 5 volts. Let's say an increment of 0.05, or here 0.05 volts, so it's linear. Then apply, then okay. So the proofs are gone, so let me insert it again. So PSpice markers, voltage level, and then the current probe. So I go to run PSpice. There's currently running. Then the window, the plots window is pop up. Yeah, so this is the window. So here is the DC sweep with the power supply from 0 to 5 volts. Then the voltage across the diode can be seen here. Then I want to add the IV characteristic. So I go to add plot. Then on the new plots, I go to add trace. So I right click and click on add trace. Says ID. They need to measure. So this is the current, diode current, as a result of the as a function of the power supply voltage from 0 to 5 volts. So you can see that it is when the diode voltage is about 0.7 volts. That's when you begin to have some current, some diode current, and the maximum, it's here is 2 milliamps. So the maximum is about, let's say 2.1, 2.2 milliamp, and the maximum diode voltage here is about 0. 0.5, 0.6, so about 0.7 volts. So here is the DC modeling of a diode circuit with PSpice.